Let's look at some sequence. This is episode 2 of 12. So there are 12 episodes in sequence and series. So dealing with this question of sequence and series, I think it's arithmetic sequence. Okay, this is the given question. 2, 5, and 8 is a given sequence. So here we have been asked to determine the common difference and the following term. So the common difference, because this one it's it's a it's arithmetic sequence. So T1, T2, T3, T4. So we are required to find the next three terms. So these are the first four terms. So term 5, term 6, and term 7. So first of all, we have been asked to calculate the common difference. So the common difference, we will say 2 minus T2 minus T1, which is the common difference, which is 5 minus 2. So what's 5 minus 2? It's 3. So let's check whether it's correct. Term number 3 minus term number 1 is the common then difference. So we'll have 8 minus 5 equals to, what is 8 minus 5? It's 3. So our D here, it's 3, and then the value of A is the same as the value of T1, term number 1, which is 2. You see here. So number A is already been answered. They said find the common difference. So let's verify that the common difference is 2, because we have tested twice, double, and then it's 3. So let's see. The next question said find the next three terms. So to find the next three term, you say what is the second is term number 5. So we are looking for term number 5. So we'll use this equation. We'll use this equation to find term number 5. That's all. So we have A so your A is 2, which is the first term, and then 5 is this term number 5, and it's number of terms. So D, it's the common difference, which is 3. So 2, so I'll have 4, and then we have 3, and then you will multiply this one, which is 12, right? So you'll have 14. So term number 5, it's 14. Let's see term number 6. Term number 6 is So we put 2. Where there's n, we'll put the number of term, which is 6, term number 6, and then we'll put 3 where is the common difference, and then we'll have 5 here, and then 3, and then multiplying this one will 5 times 3, it's 15, and then what is term number 6? Term number 6 is 2 plus 15, which is 17. So this is term number 6. So then term number 7. Number 7. So we have 2 as the first term, and we are looking for term number 7. N is number of term, and then 3. D, its common difference is 3, and then 2, and then subtracting this one is have 6, and then we'll have 3, and then 3 times 6 is 18, and term number 7 is, so you have 20, 17, and 14. So these are the terms that we are required to fill in here. Yeah, 14. Yeah, 17. Yeah, is it 20? Yes. So we are done with question number 1. Question number B. I mean the first problem, we're done with it, and then let's look at the second problem. So the second problem, it's a fraction. So how to deal with the fraction? I think there will be a video for simplifying the fraction, because sometimes you get stuck with fractions, you forgot how to deal with fractions. So you can comment if you are on YouTube which problem to make video. Each problem must be done, which problem you are interested in. So using the common difference rule, finding this, term number 2 minus, so this is a general thing. So if I can, let's take you have a bread, and then this is a half of bread, not a full. Yeah, half of bread, this one is half. And then if you cut, you take a quarter out, this is quarter, so you'll be left with a quarter. So the answer here, it's quarter. So let's, term number 3 minus term number 2. So this is half, And then let's look at number 3. This is number 2. So now it's half. So 3/2 minus half, you're left with the quarter, and 3/4 minus a half, you're left with the quarter. So this is it. So for common difference, it's 1/4. And then you say they want number 5. So using this formula, you can able to solve this equation. So you have solved this problem. And then you'll have something like your a as a half, and then your number 5 as a term number 5, and then your common difference, it's 1/4. So subtracting these two, you have something like then 1/4. Multiplying this one, you have 4/4. 1/4. Adding this to, it's like 4/4. Adding the 2, it's 1 plus 4/4. Adding this 2, you'll have 5. When you check here, 4/4 is still 1, so I have checked this one, it's 4 here. So to change this one to be a fraction, so you can able to find the common denominator, you can change to 4/4. If it was 3 here, I would write 3/3. So to simplify this as a fraction, it's easy this way. So term number 5 is this one. Okay, space is finished. Okay, term number 6, it's a plus n minus 1 d 1/4 plus n, it's number 6, then d, it's 1/4, and then 1/4, this is 5, 1/4, then 1/4, 5/4. Common denominator is the same. For 6/4, which is the same as 3/2. Then term number 7, one over 4 plus 7 minus 1, common difference, it's 4. 1 over 4 plus 6, 1 over 4 1 over 4 6 over 4. The common, it's 4. The common, the lowest, adding this one, it's 7 over 4. So term number 5, it's so these are the term number 7, term number 5, term number 6, and term number 5 here. Finish.